Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could recover the data of an SSD of an old Lenovo computer. So your Lenovo computer is broken, doesn't work, you don't need it anymore. However, you would like to use the internal hard drive, if it's an SSD or hard drive, and you would like to access the data. To begin, make sure to extract your SSD. As a second step, go to the internet and type USB adapter for SSD. The SSD might come like this, or it might be M.2, or it might be another type. So just make sure to check the correct SSD adapter. The SSD adapter usually comes with two pieces or two parts, a box to enclose the SSD and this cable. Before we plug it, make sure to align short side with short side and long side with long side. Put it like this, and as a next step, put the SSD inside the box, close it, and now all what you need to do, plug it to a working, fully functional computer and it should work. If you are using Windows, Professional or Enterprise, and you have the BitLocker encryption enabled, then it will ask you for a password before allowing you to access the data. However, this SSD, it can be formatted and used as an external storage device. Also, for these boxes, you don't need to invest much. You can buy a box for as little as $4 or $5, and you don't need to go for the one costing $30, $50, $60, because it will do the same work and it will last almost the same time. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.